Hello guys, I am from GoGrass Maths Hub. I am going to discuss question number 6 that has been taken from NCERT Exemplar, Chapter 4 Determinants NCERT 12 Mathematics. Question is, prove that elements of first row a square plus 2a plus 1, 1. Elements of second row 2a plus 1, a plus 2, 1. Elements of third row 3, 3, 1. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implies that let LHS is equal to that elements of first row a square plus 2a plus 1, 1. Elements of second row 2a plus 1, a plus 2, 1. Elements of third row 3, 3, 1. Here you can see in this date elements of first row a square plus 2a plus 1, 1. Elements of second row 2a plus 1, a plus 2, 1. If you do the operation here, 1 minus 1 comes out to here 0. And here you will get a square plus 2a minus 2a minus 1. Plus 2a minus 2a will be cancelled out. Here you will get a square minus 1. A square minus 1, that comes out to be a minus 1, a plus 1. So here I shall leave the property. Here I shall write by using the properties. R1 goes to R1 minus R2. So here I shall write date equal to, here you can see R1 minus R2. So here I have written R1 goes to R1 minus R2. R1 goes to, this means that changes will occur only in the first row. There will be no changes in second row and third row. Second row and third row I shall write as it is. So here write 2a plus 1. Here write a plus 2. Here write 1. Elements of third row 3, 3, 1. So here you can see R1 goes to R1 minus R2. If I take the element of R1 as a square plus 2a, so here write a square plus 2a minus, if you think about R2, the corresponding element of a square plus 2a in the second row will be 2a plus 1. So here it will become in bracket 2a plus 1. Simplify this one, you will get here a square plus 2a minus 2a minus 1 will get. Plus 2a minus 2a will be cancelled out. You will get as a square minus 1. So here in place of a square plus 2a, I shall write a square minus 1. So here write a square minus 1. Now come out to next here. Here I shall write R1 goes to R1 minus R2. If I take the element of R1 as 2a plus 1, so here write 2a plus 1 minus, think over R2, the corresponding element of 2a plus 1 in the second row will be a plus 2. So here write a plus 2. Comes out to be here 2a plus 1 minus a minus 2. Comes out to here 2a minus a comes out to here a plus 1 minus 2 comes out to here minus 1. So here I shall write a minus 1. Here you can see R1 goes to R1 minus R2. The R1 minus R2. 1 minus 1 comes out to here 0. So here write 0. This is the rough work. You can erase after evaluation. Now here new date has been formed. Here you can see a square minus 1. Here a minus 1, here 0 is there in the first row. So you know the formula here. Formula is a square minus 1 equal to a plus 1, a minus 1. This is the formula. So here I shall write a plus 1, a minus 1, a minus 1, 0. Elements of second row will be 2a plus 1, a plus 2, 1. Elements of third row will be 3, 3, 1. This thing you have got. So here you can see in the first row a plus 1 multiplied to a minus 1, a minus 1, 0. So you can take easily a minus 1 as a common from the first row. So here I shall write by taking out a minus 1 as common from R1. R1 means first row. First row say take out a minus 1 as common. The date will be, here you will get a plus 1, here you will get 1, here you will get 0. 2a plus 1, a plus 2, 1. 3, 3, 1. This thing you will get. Now again I shall use the property here. Here you can see second row and third row. If you subtract third row from second row, here you will get 0. So here I shall write this is the formula, I can erase here. Now this thing I am going to reflect here. Date equal to elements of first row I shall write a plus 1, 1, 0. Elements of second row I shall write 2a plus 1, a plus 2, 1. Elements of third row I shall write 3, 3, 1. So here I shall use the property R2 goes to R2 minus R1. If the property R2 goes to R2 minus R1. Here I have written R2 goes to. This means that changes will occur only in the second row. There will be no changes in first row and third row. So first row and third row shall be written as it is. So here I date equal to elements of first row. I am going to write here a plus 1, 1, 0. And elements of third row will be 3, 3, 1. Think over elements of second row. The second row, R2 goes to R2 minus R1. So here I shall reflect in the rough work, R2 goes to R2 minus R1. If I take the element of R2 as 2a plus 1, so here write 2a plus 1. Minus is there, right here minus. Here I shall use the property R2 goes to R2 minus R3. Here use the property 3. So use the property R2 goes to R2 minus R3. Here 3 is there. 1 minus 1. Here you will get 0. That's why R2 goes to R2 minus R3. This property I shall use. If I take the element of R2 as 2a plus 1, right here 2a plus 1 minus the corresponding element of 2a plus 1 in the third row will be 3. So here write 3. So here you will get 2a minus 2. 2a minus 2 will get. So here I shall write 2a minus 2 will be written. R2, 2a plus 1 minus R3, this element. So here we will get 2a minus 2, I shall write. Now think over this element. If I take the element of R2 as a plus 2, so here I write a plus 2 minus the corresponding element of a plus 2 in the third row is 3. So here I 3. So here you will get a minus 1. So here I shall write a minus 1. And here 1 minus 1 comes out to here 0. This thing you will get. Now what will do here? Here you can take 2 as a common. So 2 dot a minus 1 it will come. So here I shall write in this date one thing I have omitted here. Here you can see date equal to a plus 1, a minus 1, a minus 1. So here by taking out a minus 1 as a common from R1. So a minus 1 has been taken as a common. So here date will multiply to a minus 1. Because a minus 1 has been taken as a common, here you get a plus 1, 1, 0 will get. This will be the same. Here also I shall write a minus 1. And here also you should write dot a minus 1. Now date will be this a minus 1 can be reflected here. Dot determinant a plus 1, 1, 0. And here if you take 2 as a common, in bracket you will get a minus 1. Here you will get a minus 1 here will get 0, and here comes out to 3, 3, 1. This thing will get. Here you can see in the second row, 2 in dot in bracket a minus 1 is there, a minus 1, 0 is there. So you can take a minus 1 as a common from the second row. So here I shall write by taking out a minus 1 as common from R2. By taking out a minus 1 as common from R2. So you will get here date equal to a minus 1 and a minus 1, a minus 1, a minus 1, 0. So from the second row, we shall take a minus 1 as a common. So here I write a minus 1. The date will be a plus 1, 1, 0. Here I get 2, 1, 0. Elements of third row will be 3, 3, 1. This thing will get. Now here you can see in this date, in the third column, there are maximum number of 0 available. So I shall expand this date along C3. So here I shall write expanding date along C3. So here plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So here we will get plus. So this will become date equal to a minus 1, a minus 1, and here this date is going to be expanding along C3, third column. So here I shall write plus 1. Now get the minor of plus 1 here. Since this one is there in the third row and third column, the third row and third column will be hidden. You will get the minor of plus 1 as a plus 1, 1, 2, 1. This thing you will get. Now simplify this one. We will get here a minus 1, a minus 1. Here in this minor date, elements of principal diagonal are a plus 1, 1. The elements of principal diagonal a plus 1, 1 will get multiplied together. So here you will get a plus 1 minus and elements of reverse diagonal 2 and 1 will multiply together. You will get here 2. So write here 2. The date will be a minus 1, a minus 1. Here you will get a minus 1. Plus 1 minus 2 comes out to a minus 1. So here you will get date equal to a minus 1 का whole cube. This will give a minus 1 multiplied to a minus 1 multiplied to a minus 1 comes out to 1, 2, 3. A minus 1 का whole cube date equal to. So here you got LHS equal to RHS. Just tally here date equal to a minus 1 raised to power 3. A minus 1 raised to power 3. this way we shall solve this type of question here. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 6 that has been taken from NCERT exemplar chapter 4 determinant NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.